All right, we got these really nice LED camping lanterns. Look at how nice and compact this is. Great. It comes in a 4-pack that I got. So here's the other 3 in here. This is what they all look like right here. This is where you put the batteries in right here. It takes 3 AA batteries. You just put them in right there. Unscrew it, put the batteries in, screw it back on. You're ready to go. And now, every time you open this, all you need to do to open is pull it open. And you got your lantern right here. And you want it dim down a bit, you can just sort of open it like that. But you open it all the way, great, nice and bright, 360-degree lighting. So it's not just like a flashlight where it's only shining that way. It's right here, it's shining everywhere. You can sort of hang this up wherever you want. You could carry it, made of nice military-grade plastic, water resistant. Just a great camping lantern, especially that it's a 4-pack. I really love that. When you're done using it, just collapse it right up. You're done. So straight up, these are amazing. Highly recommend.